Good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a giant paperclip. And we're going to be using mainly the line tool, circle tool, and then we're going to use the sweep feature. Okay, so first of all we want to get Design Sparks Mechanical loaded. Okay, once that opens up, go ahead and go File, New, create a new design. Change the view here of the eye icon to plan. We'll go ahead and minimize. I have a drawing as a reference, so we'll go ahead and drag that in. It's a JPEG. We'll put that in the center. Go ahead and click that box to maximize. I want to make this paperclip about 5 inches wide, so this will be a pretty good sized paperclip that you can use as a decoration. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hold down the shift key and scale this. Alright, we'll go ahead and use this. This is about 5. We can delete that. Okay, we want to start off with a line. Grab our line tool. Let's make this 1.4. Make this 5. We'll go ahead and make this 1.2. Make that 4.0. And make this just 1 will be okay. Make that 3. Click off, click the select to click off. I'm going to go ahead and round these corners here. We're going to go ahead and get that create rounded corners. Go there. Alright, there's that one. Go ahead and round this one. Click, go to the next point. Click. Go ahead and round this. I'll actually undo that. Not sure I got it on the right spot, so you go to the center. Alright, there's our basic shape, but what I want to do is pull that a little bit, so we'll go ahead and go move. And we'll just drag that a little bit over. Uh-oh, not sure what happened there. Let's get all these lines. Okay, so go ahead and move. We'll drag that a little bit. Okay, now click select to click off. Now that we have our shape here, we're going to go ahead and get rid of the graphic. Don't need it. Go ahead and go get your spin. Spin this ever so slightly. We're going to select just that endpoint by dragging a marquee around it. We're going to get our circle tool. We're going to click on the circle and we're going to add a 0.2 inch circle. Go ahead and select off of that. Now we're going to go ahead and get our pull tool. We're going to select that. We're going to go to this one, which is a sweep, and then we're going to triple click to get all of the lines, and then we're going to go full pull. Oh, actually I clicked off of this, sorry. Need to go back, select that. Now do the full pull. I'm gonna have to go. All right, let's try this a different way. Select the graphic, go to sweep, sweep along this. Now to select these all, I'm just holding down the control key, but you can actually triple click and it'll get everything. So go. I think the problem is it keeps clicking off of the circle. So we're going to go back, go to select, go to pull. Let me spin this one more time, make sure it's okay. It's not correct. We didn't do that right. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Delete. We want to go ahead and select just the endpoint like that. Get your circle tool. There we go, now it's right. Now we'll click on the middle there, drag out to 0.2, enter, and then we'll go click off of that. We're going to go to the pool. We're going to select that, and we're going to go sweep, triple click, and then we're going to hit this full pull. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and click select, go get our spin tool. All right, there's our paper clip, but I think the clips are too close together, so we're going to do undo. We're going to make the circle a little bit smaller. We'll go ahead and hit that, hit delete, grab our circle tool. We're going to click there. Instead of making it 2, we'll make it 0.17. Okay, that should be good. We'll go ahead and click off of it, click the pull, select that, go to your sweep, triple click, click your full pull, then click select to click off, and then spin. Yeah, that's a little better. I just wanted some space in between the actual paper clip. Okay, I'll go ahead and view from top. All right, there's your paper clip. That's going to end the tutorial. And as always, if you found something useful out of this, please consider liking and subscribing. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.